What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a KDP account and how to fill in your tax information for all non-US citizens. So stick around and I will show you step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. Firstly, you will need to visit the KDP website, which is kdp.amazon.com. The link is in the description box. You will arrive on this page. Now, if you do already have the Amazon account, perhaps for buying items or selling items, and you want to use that account, then simply sign here. But if you don't have an Amazon account or you want to keep your KDP account separate and emulated your buying or selling Amazon account, then click this button here, sign up button. You will then arrive at this page here and then just click the button here, create your KDP account. Then fill in your name, your email, and your password. Make sure the email address you use is the email address that you have regular access to, an email account that you can check regularly, as this is the email address where Amazon will send you the communications. So enter the information and then click create your KDP account. Enter the letters and numbers above. You will then need to verify your email address with a one-time passcode they send you. So grab that code from your email address and enter it in here. You will then be asked to verify your mobile number. So go ahead and put your phone number here. You will then arrive at the terms and conditions page. So read those and then click agree. And here you have it. Now you just set up this new KDP account. However, you cannot sell any books and you cannot receive any payments just yet. And the reason, if you see the yellow warning message at the top of that page, so you would need to enter your tax information and your bank account information in order to start selling books and to start receiving payments. So go ahead and click here. You will then be taken to this page where you will be asked some questions like your country or how to get paid and the tax information. So just go ahead and fill this in. So once you have picked your country, you will be asked your full name, the address, city, and all this. So you fill it all and then you tell them about your bank. You fill out what bank you want to use. Save and click where it says complete tax information. So they ask series of questions from you. What's your tax classification? If you're a business, you should definitely have your tax information. So just pick individual. Are you a US person? No. Then your tax identity information, your full name, your address. They will ask you if your mailing address is the same as permanent address. Country of citizenship. You have to select your citizenship country. I have a US tin, I have a non-US tin. They have already picked this one for you. So what you need to do is untick this one and then you scroll down. So if no tin is provided, any reduction of the 30% will not apply. Why are you not able to provide a TIN? They give you these options and you pick one. So I advise you to pick I couldn't obtain TIN from my local authorities because of other reasons. So just tick it and then continue. Scroll down, sign here and put the date as well. You save and preview. So here is everything that you've given them, the information about you. So you scroll down and once you're okay with everything, you submit. You click submit form. But if you want to make changes, you can come here and click where it says make some changes. Your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Voila! There you go. Exit interview. I hope this was helpful, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.